Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share Instagram posts to Threads automatically. Let's get started. So, once you've logged into your Instagram, you're going to go to the bottom right corner and then press on your profile picture. And then you're going to go to the post that you want to share to Threads. So for example, I'm going to use this one. So you're going to look for the share option over here. So you want to done doing that. If you have Threads installed, you should see an icon which says Threads. Once you scroll to the right, as you can see there, it says Threads. So you click on that. And as you can see here, it has opened Threads and it has my name and profile open and it has copied the link as I'm about to post it. So if you want to post it, you're going to look for the button at the bottom right, which says post. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.